Welcome back, everybody. This is the third and the last video regarding that 2016 Honda Civic LX. As most of you guys know, in the previous two videos, I made one for the wiring for the head unit, the Android head unit. The second one was installation process of the uh, lane watch camera. And today's video I'm gonna dedicate it to the head unit, and at the end of it I'm going to show you the lane watch camera in action. So here's the head unit installed. I really like it. It's the same size of the original head unit, especially with this trim. I didn't go with the glossy one because it matches this one. It's pretty much the same as the other brands, Phoenix or the other ones, but I just figured I'd give you guys a look at the operating system. Now this is from a cold start. As a matter of fact, let me take this one back because I just changed the setting to 1 hour delay, so that was really quick. But the boot time, actually it takes I'd say less than 1 minute probably. It's a little bit slow compared to other head units, but for the option that this one gives and for the things that I'm using it for, I think this is a fair time. Now this is the main screen. These applications were not here. I installed this is the navigation. I think this is the radio, and this is Bluetooth, and this is music. This is the main menu. You are able to actually use this application to control your AC. Auxiliary, as I mentioned before, I'm using this auxiliary for two things. The first one is the digital TV that I have under this shifter, actually on the side of it. So let me show you guys. Actually, I don't know if you guys remember the two little buttons, the red one and the white one. I decided to install them here, not over there by the lighter jack, because here is more convenient, easier. The white one is for the digital TV adapter, and the red one is for the power for the headrests. Now, as I said, the auxiliary, let me get the remote. Auxiliary
treatment for a relentless disease. Verzenio Plus in AI is proven to help women have significant
no bird stuck on nest.
signs of infection. Verzenio may cause low white blood cell count.
And when it's off, if I want to use the phone, all I have to do is turn the TV. The TV is going to be turned most of the time. The reason why I installed it, because I had the chance to. I had everything out, and it was $75, so I was like, might as well just put a TV option in it. I don't know if you guys remember the auxiliary output. There we go. So if I want to use my phone or any other device with to listen to music, all I have to do is, this is going to be off, and when I turn the auxiliary on, it's going to receive audio from the phone. Bluetooth, Bluetooth for the phone, you pair it, you do whatever. Boot as animation, I'm not sure what is that actually. I try to play with that. I don't know. Calculator, car setting. I'm gonna go slow with them so you can have an idea. Now remember, in my model, this one should be off, but I have it on right now because I already integrated my own lane watch camera. Chrome color, easy connect if you want to mirror your Android or iPhone screen to this head unit, equalizer, file browser, Facebook, fancy widget. That's the setting for this widget right here. Flash player, fuel, I don't know. GPS, the GPS, you guys remember when I said that I have the GPS here? Let me show you guys the signal. Actually, this will tell me the signal. Let me play with that a little bit. I think here you go. I have a pretty good signal, you know. I can't complain. I go, that's for the GPS application, map, another application for directions, music, that's your music player. You know, pretty basic. Actually, your music player, you can choose your source of where do you want to play your music from. So that's something to mention. Play Store, picture viewer, radio, you know, that's the user guide for this unit. Pretty basic. It doesn't give you a lot of information, especially with installation. Setting is just another Android you know, setting, but just like any other head unit, it has the core setting. So let me show you what we have in this section. And then you have extra setting, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Torque I installed. I installed this one is actually for the dash cam. You remember the dash cam? When I go out, I'll show you guys how concealed it is. That's what I like about it. Video to play video from a USB. YouTube, I installed it. I really like this unit. I like it especially. It can understand what core is it sitting in, and can actually integrate some of the features. For example, the door, whichever door you open, it will show you. Of course, you can disable this if it's annoying to you. You can disable it in a setting. And actually, as I mentioned before, the backup camera works fine. Steering control, everything works fine. Answer and mute, whatever you need it to do. Let me go outside and show you guys a couple of things. Today is a rainy day in Philadelphia. Here's the dash cam. I don't know if you guys see it. From a distance, I don't know if you can tell. It's really good. Here is the side view camera, side view mirror. You guys see it? Yeah, it's really small. Really small. You remember I told you guys I was gonna put it here. I did put it here, but it was aiming down. It was like giving me this, which was not good for me. I wanted it to be this. When I put it here, I had the angle that I wanted. Let me show you guys the lane watch in action. Hopefully I'm not gonna have an accident. Let me put the seatbelt so that doesn't bother you guys. far left. I'm driving on a curved lane, so let me just get to a straight lane so I give you guys exact idea how does it look like. Actually, I'm stopping at the light right now. Let me put the signal so you see what's next to me. This car actually is, the front of that car is right a little bit past my back bumper. So there we go. Nothing next to me. I'm on my own lane right now. One more time. I love it. I love it. I even love the angle. We adjusted it at night. Finally, me and my friend Ali, we adjusted it at night, and I told him, you know what, don't worry about it, let me just tie it up, and I'll adjust it on a flat surface on a street, because we did that behind my house and it was kind of uphill, so it came really nice. I was gonna push it up a little bit. It's not coming out because I am doing a left turn, not right turn. It kind of down a little bit, but I like it because when you park your car and you hit that right signal, it will give you actually how close are you, your tires to the sidewalk. So it's really nice. I'm gonna do it one more time and go back. Come this way and then do right. It give me the whole lane. It give me, it's really good. Even the picture, I cannot complain. Today is really it's not a sunny day in Philadelphia, so that picture the day before yesterday was way better. Even at night, I tried it at night, and it's awesome. It's clear. It's really clear. Like I can see it. It's useful. Just find a parking so I end this video. I'll show you guys. See how it is? It gives me right exactly how far I am from the sidewalk, so that's why I like it. I would like to thank you guys for watching the video. I would like to thank my friends Nabil and Ali for helping me. They helped me a lot actually doing this video. I apologize for any mistakes that I probably made. I know at some point in a first video I said DVR here, which I meant digital TV, DTV, digital TV, and you know, some other mistakes probably. I don't know, I'm just a human being. This is my first video that I upload to YouTube. Oh, by the way, let me show you guys some of the things that I bought for this car. It's red from outside, as you guys saw, so I bought this. I found it really nice, you know. I also bought these they didn't look as good as the picture on eBay. I also bought these little things. They really nice. They here, they on the door panels, and the glove compartment. There is another one here, and the back door panels down here. It's a really nice touch, you know. Anyway, as I said, thank you guys so much. I hope I was helpful enough to explain everything. If you guys have any question, just comment below, and I will do my best to answer as accurate as possible.